빗소리 머리를 빗는 이 빗소리 밖엔 비가 오나 봐 들리는 빗방울들이 땅에 떨어지는 소리 전해지는 좋은 팅gle 대체 뭐야 너는 비법이 아침에 일어나서
Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're diving into the ultimate summer pamper routine. I did paint a little bit. I always find that starting my day with any creative activity sets the perfect tone for relaxation and self-care. It's a nice Sunday morning, and before I hop into the shower, here's a few things that I like to do. First things first, let's light a candle and set the mood. The scent note for today is Sun-Drenched Linen from Bath & Body Works. One word to describe the scent: magnificent. It's literally so good. If you like laundry scents, this is literally for you. I like to go in with some scalp treatments, so I have been using these two on and off. I'm using the tea tree and rosemary scalp serum from Love Beauty Planet. I like to apply this all over my scalp. I tend to get itchy scalp after my workout sessions, especially in summers. It's like a lot, and this scalp serum really helps with that. It has tea tree rosemary that's great for dandruff and itchy scalp. It works well on build up too. It has a beautiful scent as well. I mostly use this before I shampoo and keep it on for an hour. For the length of my hair, I like to apply any hair oil. I'm using almond oil and applying a generous amount all over the length of my hair. This helps to avoid any breakage, and I like to pay more attention to any dry and damaged areas. I'm using a wooden brush to evenly distribute the oil. This also increases blood circulation. Although if you have fine hair, you could do this step before oiling so there's less damage. I'm ditching my claw clip today, and I'm simply rolling in my hair. This keeps my hair intact with zero breakage. So I do get a lot of sebaceous filaments or whiteheads, whatever you want to call that. I get that over my nose and my chin, and we're going to treat that with these cute blackhead fingertips. I like to go in and use a salicylic acid cleanser, just a tiny amount, and gently go over my nose and my chin. I only do this once in 10 to 15 days. This works in the best way for my skin. It gently gets rid of stubborn whiteheads and leaves me with a really nice clean skin. I also like to use a nose strip to get rid of anything that was left out. I have been doing this for a really long time, and I really feel like nose strips do work. I personally really love using them. So in here I'm wetting my nose and putting the strip on. I'm also trying out a chin strip today. It's my first time using this, so let's hope for the best. And while I wait, I love applying a sheet mask or any gel mask. I have been really liking the Earth Rhythm Cica gel. This can be used in multiple ways, and I'm using this as a gel mask today, and I'm applying this all over my skin. It is time to get the nose strip off. I do not know if you guys can see, but this did get a few more whiteheads out. I don't know if it's just me, but let me know if you guys like to see your sebaceous filaments as well, because I literally stare at them for quite some time. For shampoo, I'm going in with Herbal Essence. This has been my constant, and I did repurchase this. It lathers so well and leaves my hair clean and soft. I have spoken a lot about the shampoo, and I really enjoy this one. To condition my hair, I'm going to go in with the same range from Herbal Essence. It's their Argan Oil Repair Mask. It has a beautiful scent, and it feels so good. It deeply conditions, nourishes the hair, and this brand never fails to impress me. It works so well for dry frizzy hair. I also love their conditioner as well. This entire range is by far my most favorite out of all. I'm going to cleanse my body with a bar soap today. I absolutely love the Dove Spare and Aloe bar soap. Firstly, it smells so good. I'm using my exfoliating glove instead of my loofah to cleanse my body. It lathers so very well, cleanses beautifully, and smells incredible. Like, it smells so uplifting, so fresh and sweet. Especially for summers, this scent just does not disappoint. Moving on to exfoliation, I'm going in with the Tree Hut's Coconut Lime Body Scrub. The scent on this is so fresh. It smells like a crisp lemon coconut freshness. If you like fresh coconut lemon kind of scents, you will enjoy this scrub. But if you do not enjoy fresh scents, I don't think you would actually enjoy this scrub. It is a harsh scrub, which makes it perfect to get rid of dead skin cells. It also warms up on my body. It feels really nice and leaves my skin all ready for the next step. Moving on to the next step, which is to shave. I'm going in with the Gillette Sensitive Foam to create a protective layer when I shave. It's enriched with aloe vera, vitamin E, which prevents post-shave irritation and soothes the skin. I love the texture on this. It comes out in a gel paste and then foams up on the skin. It has a nice fresh scent to it. It's meant for sensitive skin as well, so it's a 10 on 10. I'm using this Gillette's razor and I have repurchased this so many times. I never got a single razor cut with this razor, so I really quite enjoy it. And if you're looking for a really nice razor to shave, you could try this one out. I like to go in with the Johnson's Baby Body Oil. This one is amazing body oil to be used during the summertime. Like, I literally always reach out for this one during these hot summer months. I go in with a generous amount all over. This is such an amazing body oil. It's lightweight, smells so good, nourishes and leaves me with a beautiful glow. I'm going to wash off the hair mask along with the body oil. I prefer moisturizing when my skin is damp, and the lotion I have been head over heels this summer is the Vaseline's Aloe Fresh Body Lotion. It's super lightweight, smells so extremely fresh. It moisturizes well, it's non-greasy, non-sticky, non-oily. It's such a beautiful body lotion. For my hair serum, I'm using Eliza Vecca's Hair Muscle Essence Oil. It's such a nice lightweight hair oil. It keeps my hair so smooth, manageable and soft. It works really well for frizzy hair as well. It's not at all greasy, smells beautiful. Plus, a small amount goes a really long way, so you do not actually need a lot of this product. I'm using my hairbrush to detangle and spread the serum evenly all over, especially places that I might have missed out. Moving on to skincare, I'm using this face wash from Gabit. It's super gentle on my skin. It is infused with hyaluronic acid and niacinamide, bifida, panthenol, and really good ingredients. That is great for your skin. It gently cleanses, does not strip my skin. Overall, it's a really good face wash if you're looking for a nice face wash that can be used in the morning as well as nighttime. This is something you could try. It is that time to shave my face. I'm using the Cica gel from Earth Rhythm as my base today. I like to apply a decent amount all over my skin and go in and shave my face. By now, you guys know that I really enjoy DIY face mask more than the other face mask in the market. This green clay mask from Wild Organics works the best during summertime. I like to go in with 2 teaspoons of this along with few other ingredients. I'm adding in half a teaspoon of neem powder, a little bit of my toner. You can literally go in with any toner of your choice, and a teaspoon of yogurt for that extra hydration. Giving all of that a good mix, and I like the consistency to be something this way, not runny at all. This is such a good face pack for summers. I do have a few more, but currently I'm really enjoying this one. Green clay has excellent absorbent properties, making it effective at pulling out impurities, toxins, excess oils. Neem powder is such an amazing ingredient that I have been using in my face mask for a really long time. It helps with pimples, tiny bumps. All of these ingredients work so very well on my skin. Like, if you have oily combination skin, you are going to love this face pack. I like to keep it on till it's semi-dry and then rinse it off. Like, do you guys see that? It left my skin so refreshed, clear and radiant. It's a 10 on 10. To soothe my skin, I like to use the Mugwort Essence toner. This one is from I'm From. It's an amazing toner. If you're looking for a calming and soothing toner, this is literally that. It has an earthy scent to it that I really do not mind. In fact, I kind of like it. It feels like nature in a bottle. This is by far a great toner for oily and dry skin types. It has healing properties. It helps reduce redness. I love it. It's super lightweight. For my serum, I'm using a vitamin C serum. It's the vitamin C dark spot serum from ⴅSSERAFIM. It's a beautiful vitamin C. It helps to even out skin tone, provides this beautiful glow, works well for all skin types. It has niacinamide, arbutin that helps with dark spots as well, so I really enjoy this. For my moisturizer, I'm going in with the Gabit Ceramide and Hyaluronic Moisturizer. This moisturizer is super lightweight. It has this gel texture. It also has niacinamide, oats, vitamin E, ceramides, hyaluronic acid. Overall, it's a beautiful moisturizer. Can be used in the morning and at night. It keeps my skin so hydrated and plump, so I really quite enjoy this. Lastly, it is important to apply your sunscreen every single morning. So I'm going in with Isntri's Hyaluronic Acid Sun Gel. This is one of the best gel sunscreens. It has no white cast, blends in beautifully. It has SPF 50 PA++++. It also has 8 different types of hyaluronic acid that hydrates. I so love this. It's also great for people who stay in humid places because it's super lightweight. For my lip balm, I got my hands on the glass tint lip balm. This is from DM Beauty. I'm sorry it's upside down. Anyway, I love this. It feels so buttery, keeps my lips nourished, has a beautiful scent as well. It's just so good. For my deodorant, I'm going in with the Dove's Pear and Aloe scent. Scent on this one is so fresh and pleasant. I absolutely love this scent. Like, this entire range is beautiful. Finishing off with one of my all-time favorite scents. It's from Lattafa and it's called Anna Abiyed. You can clearly see how much I love this perfume. There's literally a dent on this, and the projection on this is beast mode. It lasts for 5 to 8 hours on my skin, and on clothes, girl, it literally stays on for the whole freaking week. And I'm definitely getting a backup of this because I do not want it to go out of stock. It feels so good being done with a long overdue pamper session. I'm going to relax and finish my painting. I love painting and arts in general, but because of work and so many other things, I literally stopped painting. But now that I'm back at it, it feels so good. I find painting such a therapeutic way to express yourself and unwind. It's definitely not perfect, and it's not about perfection. It never really was. Make sure you do something you love. It could literally be anything. And pretty much that is all for this video. I really hope it was helpful and fun to watch. If you did enjoy, do like, subscribe and share, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!